know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Three.
Okay, so you're making 3 eggs?
Yeah, and I put on the towel.
Why? Why do you put them on the towel?
I kind of got to work it fall already.
Oh, so you have to put them on the towel?
Yeah, and these two kinds of go through and go on. You can't go on the table. And see, rolls up, see?
Mm-hmm.
And I got put on the table. Break.
Okay, good job. So you put them on the towel so they don't roll and break. Okay, good job. What are you gonna do next?
I could break it.
You gonna do what?
And break it.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, like that. Whoa.
Good job.
There's a cloud.
Remember, shake. Shake it. Okay, get all of that egg out. Good job. Good job.
And almost one hand on the towel.
Just wipe it on that towel.
That one?
Pull. What are you gonna do next?
I can put these eggs in the garbage.
Okay, good job. Good job.
Peppa Pig song.
What are you calling silly?
And now let's make more. Okay. I can't spill it.
Yeah, can't spill it.
It's good to
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark.
Mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark.
Who else?
Daddy shark, daddy shark.
Daddy shark. All right. Does that look good enough?
Yeah.
All right. So yeah.
And now let's put it right there.
Okay.
You know, open this stuff.
Open it, man. Just take off that green thing.
This one.
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay, let's see. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
It's impossible.
It's not impossible. Focus. Remember, you have to focus, Bridget. Look at what you're doing. Look. Look. Just look at it. Look at it. Don't look at me. Look at that and take it off. Twist it. Yeah. See?
Yes, I understood it.
See? It's not impossible. See? You did it. Good job.
I got 1 and 2 and 3.
Okay, so you only need how many?
2.
Okay, so put them on the board. Fix that bread. Fix the bread.
Oh, yeah. Now let's put this right here. Wait, that is mommy?
Yeah. Continue. Continue, Bridget. Where you going, man?
Mommy, I make ice cream to Daddy.
See when you focus.
I can't focus anyway.
Why?
Because I can't focus.
Is that where we put the bread? Is that where you put the bread?
No. Okay.
Come on, man. You know this.
I don't know.
You know. Like that.
Oh, yeah. Toaster?
Yeah, put the bread in the toaster. Oh, where am I at? So how are you gonna get your next bread now? Here, man. You should have think about that before you go over there. Go outside. Alright, we're not gonna toast that as yet. Come back now, come back. Who you, man? What next? What next? How many hot dogs do you want?
I want 1 and 2.
No more. Two is enough. Because you know you're not gonna eat it. Put back the hot dog in the fridge. No, we're not. Hey, no, we're not. Hey.
What?
Pick up it. Up the top.
Again?
Fix it properly.
Like this?
No, turn it over. Yeah. Good job.
And
Don't.
close the door.
Yes, sir. Don't chew down nothing in this fridge, you hear?
Okay, then
That man tell you.
let's cut the...
Good job. Good job.
A drop and I'll make blow it.
Where you gonna do with that? Where you gonna do with that? That's you, eh?
Throw it away.
Yeah. Oh, I did that. Now 5 second rule, boy. Yeah. Alright. Ready to cook now?
Yeah, right here.
Right there? Yeah. Yeah, but who's gonna cook it?
You.
Why?
Because you couldn't do it.
Why?
Because you.
Yeah, but why am I going to do it?
Because I can't do it.
Why you can't do it?
Because I can't. Only one you do that.
Okay.
I can't see it. I can't cook anyway.
No, you can, you know, but guess what? You shouldn't. You shouldn't because it's hot. Right? But good job. So
Okay, now you cook this.
you don't know the thing set. My time to finish the work. I already did most of it. Oh, yeah, man. So how do you put it up there if you can do it yourself? Wow, look at you go. Good job, Stills. Damn, son. Alright, do your thing, you do your thing. I'm cooking, Bridget.
Dad,
Yo, yo.
apple. Or apple.
Get the hell my yacht.
Dad, what is apple?
You're gonna wash them anyway, so yeah.
If you need help, let me know.
I don't have.
buddy.
I don't need help.
Sorry.
Duh. Egg what all I had.
Good job.
I don't need help anymore.
Alright.
I'm gonna do it myself, Dad.
We'll help you. Spread it, spread it, spread it.
Oh yeah.
So you scrape it like this, the excess, put it to the end, like this, and spread it. You see that?
Okay. Duh. Cut.
See? Good job.
Yes.
Alright.
1 and 2.
Good job. There
Ready?
you go.
It's all done. What do you think, Cakes? Are you not going to take it today?
Yeah, no daycare. No daycare today. So this is your breakfast, brethren, that you made? Wow, good job.
This.
Yeah, Bushman, I will blow things up.
Yeah.
You like it? You like it? Alright, so there you have it. Relax now, man. I know you can sit and drop on the couch, Bridget. Eat a breakfast. You see, because you didn't blow it properly. Alright, my boss. Big up. Good job. Enjoy your breakfast, see?
Yeah, me see another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, and have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.